Today we're going to talk about how to research old companies, and we're going to start with Google. So you can see here that I'm punching in the name of a company I want to know more about, and the first page of results is just a mix of mostly shopping links, not super helpful. So let's go back in here and type in trademark so that we now get a list of actual trademark filings for this particular company. And I'm going to click on one of these links just to show you what that would look like. And it shows you the important thing you want to know here is the date. But for our purposes, I'm going to go to the actual US Trademark Office, and you can see here that it shows this company first used the name in 1947, but then they filed their application in 53. And you can see they renewed it in 75, and then by the 1990s it was dead. But we can kind of look, and we know that Gregorian was based in California, so we can be fairly certain based on the logo and the location that this is the company that we were trying to find out more about. So now we're going to use our existing patent office window, and we're just going to search for Coppercraft Guild. You can see here that I got a number of hits with different versions of their logo, but we're going to pick the oldest one. And once again, we come in here and we see that they first claimed to use the mark in 1949. They didn't file their application until 1961, and then they renewed again in 1982. So you can see by 2000 that the company was basically dead and they no longer use the mark and they didn't bother to renew. But once again, we're getting very helpful information about the history of this company in terms of how long they were around. And we go back and we see that this company actually changed hands multiple times as well. So you can see here that I've brought us back to the main page of the Patent and Trademark Office government website where you can do the searches. And you can start here if you want to, but it's not the most user-friendly site in the world. So if you're more comfortable using Google as a way to jump in, you can certainly do that too. And I hope that me walking you through this process helps give you an idea of how you might learn more about a company that you're interested in if you happen to own an item made by such a company and you just want to have a better idea of when they were in business, how long they were in business, how old something is. Thanks for watching and good luck!